Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I have an anti-anxiety abs workout for you. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's kind of twofold. So one, if you are ever just like totally stressed out, if you're studying for like tests or midterms or doing homework and you're just feeling like really overwhelmed, I love taking like a 5-minute break to do a quick abs workout because you're gonna feel more confident and motivated, and it kind of just gives you a mental break. But this is also great if like you have a really cute Halloween costume coming up next week, or you just are ever like gonna be in a bikini or a crop and you wanna see your abs start to pop. This workout is gonna help get that pump so you can actually see all the definition and have your abs super rockin'. All right, so if you're ready to get those abs poppin', let's get down on the mat. I'm gonna give you a couple of quick tips and then we're gonna start with those moves. All right, so you girls know I'm always talking to you about setting micro goals, like those little small goals that help you reach bigger ones. Because if you have a giant goal, like I wanna lose 25 pounds, it's really stressful and can cause a lot of anxiety to be like fighting for that every day when you don't see immediate results. So these micro goals are like little things that you can focus on every day to help you get there. So say you wanna see your abs popping or your booty start to grow, like find something you can do each day that'll start working toward that. So this workout is exactly that. It's like one of those little tiny things you can really focus on, takes 5 minutes, and you'll start to see changes much more quickly so you can have little celebrations all the time. So the ab pump that we're gonna do, if you guys like muscle pump, you hear about that a lot with bodybuilders and stuff. And honestly, like it takes serious work to build muscle. I know girls often worry about bulking up, but like that's really hard to do. You have to be like very determined. But if you want to just start to see that muscle pump, which happens when you start working out and all that blood has to go to the muscle to send nutrients there, and you kind of like feel stiff and tight because of all the excess blood, that's like where you'll start to see more of that definition right after a workout. If you're like, ooh, like yeah, I can see that booty popping or my abs popping. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. The most important thing is to make sure that you are hydrated, so drink lots of water so that you can keep those muscles hydrated, that you have plenty of healthy carbs throughout your day, especially before your workout, because you need that glycogen so that you're able to use it and get a good workout in. And then you wanna make sure you're squeezing and holding in some of those different exercises that we're gonna do. So if you're about to throw on a Halloween costume, a bikini, a crop top, anything else, do this right before you do that and you will definitely see a change in your body, or you can add this in every day for even more. So we're gonna start on the mat, all the way down. And all I want you to do to start here is bring your arms overhead. You're gonna bend your knees and lift your chest and hold. Just lift and hold, tuck your chin slightly, squeeze your abs as tight as you can. I want you to crunch it in and squeeze. Tap the heels, arms overhead. Exhale, lift it up. We're gonna go down and up, down, exhale. Good, let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, and if you guys already have your Halloween costumes, I want you to comment below and tell me what they are. Good, almost there. Let's do 3 more. 2, and hold, squeeze. I have such a cute friend theme one. Yeah, keep squeezing, keep holding, but I don't want to tell you yet because I want you guys to see on Instagram. It's gonna be so much fun. Squeeze, lift, lift, hold, 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 hold. Squeeze it tighter. Exhale, let it go. All right, now you're gonna come into a plank. Just a forearm plank. Forearms are gonna press into the mat. You're gonna start here and hold just for about 30 seconds. Squeeze your abs as tight as you can, engage your entire body, push your heels back behind you. Pull the belly button up and in and squeeze. Continue to breathe. Here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. When we finish this, we're gonna go straight into a full plank. 2 more, last one, bring it up. Good. From your full plank, I want you to hold and wrap the arms underneath the armpit, then tap it back down. Switch hands and tap, switch and tap. Let's do 10 on each side. 9, 8, keep squeezing those abs. 7, hips low. Good, adjustment. 6, 5, 4, try to control, don't rock too much. 3, last 2, woo, and 1. Exhale, drop it down. Coming back onto your back. Hug those knees into the chest just for a minute here. Bring your legs up, open them into a wide straddle. Doesn't have to be like crazy wide, but just separate the feet wider than hip distance. Good, arms overhead. You're gonna exhale, lift and lower back down. Zip up the rib cage, lift and lower down. Feet are flexed, up and down. Good. Really focus on that hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good. 3, 2, now hold it up, hold it as high as you can, pulse up, 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 squeeze. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go. Stretch it out. Super quick, super effective. You can squeeze this in during commercials or during your study breaks to help you de-stress a little bit, and you'll start to see really quickly your abs are gonna start popping. And you can do this a couple times a day. It doesn't take much time, and you're gonna feel the difference so fast. Okay, so comment below, tell me how those abs are feeling right now. Sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click. And if you haven't seen it yet, we're doing a 2-week booty challenge. It's totally free on lovesweatfitness.com. So I'll put the link down below for you guys. You can sign up and get your fun printable just in time for Halloween. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye.